Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Itunu if you're new here, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I now trim my hair. I don't think I did a trim video before. I'm not sure. I will be showing how I trim my hair. I had my last trim in I want to say December. I don't want to have strict rules for when I should trim my hair or when I should do this or that, because the whole point of coming back natural is to be a lazy natural. So if you're like me, you've come to the right place, okay? So I can't be doing stuff so strictly, like every 2 months I have to do this, every 3 months I have to do this, nobody got time for that. So I trim my hair when I feel like I'm getting too many tangles at the end and it's difficult for shed hair to just come off and it just stays stuck there. Then I'm like, okay, I need to get a trim, because when I get a fresh trim, I tell you, my hair is bomb, okay? So I will be showing you guys how I trim my hair in this video. And first of all, I want to start off with parting my hair into 5 sections. So 2 on this side and 2 at the back, and then one in the middle. Okay, so my hair is parted into 5 sections, and I will turn around and show you guys so you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the front right here. And the way I do this, like, yo, I'm all about that easy life, you know? Nobody's trying to come here and spend 5 hours getting a trim, okay? So I just get a section, comb through the section, kind of feel for dryness and knots, and just, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the entire section. And I did notice that when I trim my hair, it grows longer. I mean, hair grows naturally, but I mean, like, it grows longer, faster, I find it. And I mean, that's always good, you know? So first I do a little bit of finger detangling, just a little bit. Then go ahead and comb through, because these are small sections, so it's okay to use a comb, because it's not a big deal, okay? So and then I feel for like where I want to trim, and that's it. So I'm gonna speed up the rest of this video. Then when I've gotten like a section about this big, I'll just go ahead and twist it up. So I just got done with this section. What I like to do is, since I've been messing with the ends of my hair, trying to, you know, feel for the dry areas, and naturally the ends of your hair are the driest part, so I'm going to go right ahead and put some more moisture on that. So I'm going in with Itunu leave-in conditioner. And in this, what I do with my leave-in conditioner is I put in some Jamaican black castor oil and just whip it all together. I add Jamaican black castor oil just for some extra strength and thickness to my hair when I apply my leave-in. So this is what we're gonna do, just to add that moisture back and seal with some shea butter, just some whipped shea butter, not much. And then on my scalp, I'm gonna go in with my pepper oil to my scalp. This is an oil I've been using for well over 2 years. And it is just bomb. My hair goes soft, it goes thick, and it goes pretty fast as well. So I apply this directly to my scalp and rub it in. So that's that. I just go and rub that onto my scalp. Oh, lest I forget, I've been trying to grow my edges, and so I like to put some leave-in conditioner there, and then finish off with some oil, because it's so easy to forget your edges, because as you can see, like, I literally just had to remind myself just now to, you know, moisturize my edges. I'm trying to grow them out, and I realize they break off because I forget to moisturize my edges, so I'm trying to do it a little bit more consciously. And that is that section done. I'll be back when I'm done trimming the rest of my hair, and yeah. So after a long hour and 45 minutes, I can say that I'm finally done and tired, and the sun is out. As you can see, I'm looking a lot brighter. So one thing I will say about this is, initially I had you know, cut my hair first and then put in the leave-in conditioner and then the shea butter, but I would advise that you do that first before you go in with the trim, because it makes it a lot easier to detangle and comb. So after this section, I kind of switched it up on every other section, and it was just a lot easier for me. Yeah, I got lipstick on my finger. Yeah, and also make sure that your scissors are super sharp, because mine was super sharp. So I know they're not really hair scissors, they're not hair scissors at all, but at the end of the day, they're really sharp, so that's what you need. Yeah, I'm trying to grow out my edges, so I'll be showing you guys updates on that as well. Yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go right ahead and have a nap and eat, because I'm hungry and I'm sleepy. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. I hope this was a useful video for you. And the sun just went down, and oh, back up again. What do you know? Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.